Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you where to find your programming button on your Weiser Lock in 2026. So first of all, you need to move to the inside portion of the door where the battery pack and the thumb turns are located. So the programming button is not located on the outside keypad. So you will need to access the interior assembly of the lock first. Now you need to simply remove the battery cover from the interior assembly, and on most of the Weiser smart code and the power bolt models, the cover slides upward or pulls off, exposing the battery pack and the normal components. So when you have done that, you are going to see the inside structure that will look something like this. So over here, this type of a round button will be your programming button. So it will also basically show you the P letter. So depending on the model, it will say sit above or beside the battery compartment. So the program button is used for several important functions, like it can help you add or delete the user code, factory reset, and start the door handling process. You can also enable the auto lock with the help of it, and you can also access various advanced programming options with the help of it. So that's how you can find the programming button. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.